Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Sophie at the Plover Center, and today on VGC to Go, we are going to be making some little animals with all of our toilet paper rolls that we have laying around. For this project, you are going to need a pencil to trace out your designs that you're going to use, a glue stick to glue them on, and a scissors to cut them out after you trace them. And we're also going to need some googly eyes, or you could just use a white piece of paper and then draw the eyeballs on, and a couple of different colors of construction paper. Whatever you have, that'll be fine. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to take a big piece of paper and you're going to trace out what size it needs to be to fit your toilet paper roll. We've already done this, so I'm just going to go ahead and take that and I'm going to glue it on using my glue stick. Let me get the glue stick open. All right, so I'm going to put some glue on. Make sure you get a lot of glue on there, because otherwise it won't stick, and then that won't be too fun. All right, now I'm making a penguin in this one. There are many, many animals that you could make. We also made an owl earlier. But for our penguin, you're next going to use a piece of white paper to make a little belly. And the belly is going to go right on there. So I'm going to use my glue. Glue that on. Next, we are going to glue on our two little googly eyes. And again, if you don't have googly eyes, that is a-okay. You can just use a piece of white paper and maybe a black marker or a pencil. So put those right on there. All right, oh, looks like I'm going to need a little extra glue for that one. Alrighty, then I'm going to glue on, oh my goodness. It's okay, everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. All right, next up is going to be our beak. So then I'm going to use some more of our glue. And your beak is just a little triangle of orange paper. Really doesn't have to be super big. Bam. There it is. And then two little feet at the bottom here. And the feet also don't have to be super duper big. Just cute little penguin feet. 1, 2. And our last step is going to be gluing on some lovely penguin arms so that your penguin can swim through the water. Just a whole bunch of glue on. One arm. 2 arms, and there you go. Now we have a penguin and an owl. All right, thanks everybody for tuning in to today's VGC to Go. Hope you're having an awesome week. Bye everyone.